Hey everyone. So there's been a lot of buzz about O3 lately and its groundbreaking, apparently, benchmarks. And some people are saying that we've achieved artificial general intelligence. I mean, when Prime has a emergency meeting about it, you know there's no emergency. The last emergency that guy had was getting out of his tower defense game in Vim. So let's be real for a second. It's not artificial general intelligence. But you're going to hear a lot about programming being obsolete now, thanks to things like O3, and it's only going to get better from here. Since AI can do everything a programmer can, then why should we have human coders? Why should you go get that computer science degree or learn programming at all? That's the argument. But look at the people who are saying this. Generally speaking, these are the same people who have done nothing but churn out sloppy code, leaky abstractions, and unnecessary overhead that's currently eating up your CPU, RAM, and GPU. And that's not to mention the bugs, the janks, the poor performance, when we should be at a golden age of hardware and software, but we're anything but. So, what's actually happening is that these people who are saying programming is dead are just identifying themselves as the low tier, uninspired, and frankly clueless people they are about what programming really is. There's a popular tech streamer who recently, on stream, admitted that it was too intimidating to use vanilla CSS for a simple task. So instead of using vanilla CSS, he opted to import an entire JavaScript build system in order to get the job done, essentially overcomplicating something that took me, a high school dropout, but a few seconds to do on Notepad live on stream. So I don't understand why these people think that programming is dead until I thought about it, and now I do understand. You don't have to despair. Programming's not going anywhere. You don't have to be the desperate one. What's actually happening here is that these people are the desperate ones. They're desperate for AI to replace programming because they're hoping AI can do the things that they will not do or cannot do. Why learn to code when you can just blame AI for not doing it right? You can guess how this ends, can't you? So, AI is not going to replace skilled people who actually care about what they're doing. And you don't have to be a senior level or expert level at programming in order to stay in the field. You can actually enjoy all the benefits while just being better than the slop that is currently being pushed. It's really not that hard. And if AI takes over, I mean, someone's still going to need to code the AI's coffee machine. So, that could be you. Anyways, don't let this stupidity, devaluate your efforts in the field. Just keep going and get good. That's really what it comes down to. Thank you.